Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully Eut's channel. On this very video, I will be making banana cinnamon bread. I will be using 2 eggs for this recipe, and don't touch the dust. I will be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Choose to increase or reduce according to your taste. I'll be adding some melted butter. All the list and measurements of the ingredients used in this video will be on the description box or will be pinned to my comment section. And I'll be using 2 medium-sized overripe banana. You really need an overripe banana for this recipe. I'll go ahead and mash until super tender. And then I'll add in my mixed wet ingredients and give it a nice mix. Also, I will be using some dried fruits and nuts. I have dried banana, I have almond, I have dried coconuts, and I also have blueberries. So I'll keep that aside and I'll save my dried ingredients. In this recipe, I'm using a self-raising flour and I'm using 2 cups for this recipe. I'll add some cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and I'll give that a nice mix. To all my returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always coming back and keeping this channel going. And if you haven't subscribed, you're coming across this video or my channel for the first time, please hit on the subscribe button, which is right down there below the video. Click on the first notification bell. This will enable you to get notified each time I upload a new video. I'll also added vanilla essence, and I will be pouring in my dried ingredients into my wet ingredients bit by bit and mixing together. Feel free to use your hand when it gets stiff. To all my membership, I want to say a very big thank you for supporting me in this channel and keeping me going in this channel. And to everyone sharing my videos in every social platform to their community tab, I want to say I appreciate you and God bless you. Now I will be adding my dried yeast added to warm milk into the batter, and I will mix together to combine. Make sure if you're using a dry yeast that you activate it with warm water or warm milk. At this moment, you want to make sure you set your oven heating at 170 degrees up and down, and I will transfer this into a loaf pan, baking for 170 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. I'll also be topping it with extra dried fruits. Feel free, for this is optional. Fam, are you looking for that channel that will give you the latest news and Nollywood, Hollywood movie? Check out at Best Davis Show and don't forget to subscribe and get entertained. After preparing, I will cover this to settle down for 40 minutes before I place in the oven. Like I said, I baked for 170 degree for 30 to 40 minutes, and after baking, this is what it looks like. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful, and the aroma in my kitchen smells so good. The nutmeg, the cinnamon, and this didn't last for long. So because of the dryness, this is totally optional. If you like it like that, you can just leave it like that. But because of my kids, I like it a little bit wet, so I've just applied some honey and water to just soften the top. So if you like this video, please give the video a thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And if you try out this recipe, please let me know how it comes out. And until next video, be blessed and be safe and have a happy Thanksgiving.
Don't dare wait, don't stay too far away. Somebody, 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 some gonna love me one day. One day. Somebody, 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 some gonna